Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Remington, Instructional Technology Specialist at Clinton County RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on how to utilize helpful Google Drive keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. The first shortcut we have is previewing a file. So instead of opening up a file and having it take time, you can just simply select the file and then type the letter P, and we'll just show you a preview of that file. So for example, I select my file, and instead of double-clicking and opening it up, I just then type the letter P, and it's going to show me the preview of this file instead of taking the time to open it up, and it usually takes a few seconds. So select your file, hit the letter P, and it will preview the file. Next is renaming selected items. So select your file and hit the letter N. So again, I select my file, hit N, and it takes me to that shortcut. So I don't have to right-click to rename, it just gives me that much quicker of an option. Next is a shortcut to share your files. Just select your item and then hit the dot button, and it will take you to that shortcut. So again, I select my file, hit the dot, it takes me to the share option. So this one's a lot faster than having to click on the share button. And the last shortcut is moving selected items to a new folder. So that process can be sort of tedious, so just by selecting that file and hitting Z, it will make it that much faster for you. So again, I select my file, I hit Z, and it's going to give me options of which folders to move that file to. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday Blast.